Now, did you just pick up one or more of these amazing speakers? And are you now ready to add them to your BRAVIA TV? Well, today we'll show you how to set up Direct Connect, a simple way to connect compatible BRAVIA Theater rear speakers, subwoofer, or both directly to your compatible BRAVIA TV. Now, before you begin, make sure your BRAVIA TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi network and update it to the latest software. Then you want to plug in your rear speakers or subwoofer and place them where you plan to use them. Next, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV and that Bluetooth is turned on. And if you don't already have the BRAVIA Connect app, it's probably a pretty good time to download it. And if you do already have it, make sure it's up to date. You want to open the BRAVIA Connect app on your device, sign in, and allow it to find nearby devices. Then, select your BRAVIA TV in the app. Now at the top, select Settings and then Wireless Speaker Settings. Once your speakers are detected, confirm the models you want to connect. And from there, follow the on-screen instructions to add your compatible rear speakers, subwoofers, or of course, both. The app will guide you through the connection process step by step. If a software update is available for your speakers, make sure you install it before continuing. Once complete, your TV and speakers will link wirelessly. Next, you may be prompted to optimize the sound for your room. And during this process, you'll hear test tones as the system calibrates your speakers based on your room and speaker placement. When the setup is complete, play something with surround sound or even strong bass to make sure you can experience the difference. And that's it. You see, with Direct Connect, your compatible BRAVIA TV can work together with compatible BRAVIA Theater speakers to create bigger, more immersive sound, all in a simple, flexible way. Thanks for watching.